Hey, all right. So I told you guys that today I was going to come on and kind of give you a rundown of how things will look for my courses now that we are full virtual. So I'm planning on kind of keeping things how I ran things when I was in quarantine. So I talked to the students, you guys, yesterday, kind of about how the day-to-day will look for us. And this is a printout copy. I'm going to be posting this to the class stream of kind of like what the district put out of ways and what we could use or how we would run kind of the day-to-day. So I have another little printout thing that I made that might make things a little bit easier and condensed, especially for my courses, just to kind of give you an idea of how things are going to go. So I strive off of schedules. So when I saw this, I was super pumped because I like a schedule. So the good news is that you or your student will only need to do 3 courses a day. So on Thursday, tomorrow, your student will log in and they will only have to complete their first, second, and third hour. And then on Friday, they'll only need to do their fourth, fifth, and sixth hour. And then it'll continue to rotate. Now, what I would recommend for my courses is that they follow the schedule. They log in during the appropriate day or time, and get going, watch the video every single day. You're going to go to Google Classroom, go to classwork, and then you'll see the date. And then log in, check out, watch the video. Even if we have just a quiz review that you're going to be doing that day, maybe I'm not actually teaching something that day, you'll have some type of a video just of me breaking down what's going to be going on. So watch the video, and then there'll be a link to Go Formative for you guys to complete your assignments. So let's say you log in, you watch the video, and you're still super confused. That's where these live supports that are built in, that's when you log on. You're going to go to our Google Classroom, and you're going to click the Google Meet link on the very front page of our Google Classroom. That's where I will be logged into. So the only thing is that let's say you log in at 9:10 and all of a sudden you're confused and you don't know what to do. I won't still be on that Google Meet. Send me an email. Obviously, if the times don't work for you and you're like, I'm still super confused, can we chat about this? I will happily log on and onto a Google Meet with you guys to make sure that we are all kind of keeping up on things. I made a list for myself. Just so you also are aware, the live supports for me are not mandatory. I have to be on there during those times whether you show up or not. I'm sure sometimes I'll be sitting there by myself. Even if you want to pop in just to say hi, so I at least can see faces, that would be awesome. But I plan on keeping things kind of as I do now. So watch the video, do the assignment, you'll get feedback from me. And if you're confused, we definitely can try to set up a different time for a Google Meet if those live supports don't work for you. I'd like to try to keep it as like using those times as possible, just because I do have little ones at home as well that I'm trying to help with their Zooms, and conveniently they don't overlap right now. So, but if you need extra help, 100% I'm more than willing to help and find other times for me to pop in to help you out. Days before quizzes and tests, because we will have quizzes and tests during this shutdown, I probably will schedule some extra Google Meets in the evenings to help you if you would like to go over your reviews. You'll see videos of me going over the review as well. But I will be posting this schedule to our class stream. That's where all announcements will be. If I go over the quiz reviews, that kind of stuff, it'll all be on the stream. Day-to-day classwork is where you'll log in and watch the videos and things like that. All announcements and things will be on the stream. So one other really cool thing that I found that I wanted to show you guys is this little, like kind of an easier way, I think personally, to kind of understand how these days look. So Thursday, we're calling it day A, will be first, second, and third hour. So you only do your first, second, and third hour. Down here, there's another really easy way to see from 8 to 9:57, you are doing your first hour on day A. On day B, you're doing fourth hour. And then your live supports from 8:30 to 9. So this is another really cool, I think, printout, and I will post this to the stream as well in case a parent would like to. This, obviously, our online classes are a little different. This is from the middle school. I stole it from them. On the 9th, that's not what we would be doing on the 9th, so don't pay attention to that. I'll get rid of that real quick. But this will be posted on the stream as well, so keep an eye out for that. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Pay attention to what hour you have me and what time your live support is, because again, those are the times that I will be available on Google Meets. But if you need extra help, obviously we will find and figure something out and find time for us to meet. So any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you tomorrow or Friday.